The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Yo, I have to go live.
Yeah, yes,
I have to go live. You know why? A long time I don't see one little youth. I make something like this. Watch out.
Yo, see the youth them.
Hold on, man. Me not video the man them benching. Long time I don't see them right now. Look at thing like this. Oh, cheer them and cheat truck. Oh, buckler. Cheer them, cheat truck. Long time I don't see something like this. So what try about the next one? You can't feed and drive with that.
Next one. Yeah, you see another one. I'll show you.
Long time I don't see something like this, I'm blood clad. Long time I don't see something like this. Years. Look how you to make box truck. Yeah, man.
Viewers and subscribers, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. You see it? You see those things that you saw those persons playing with in the video that I just presented to you, I call those things box trucks. You see it? Yeah. Box trucks. You see me? Yeah, some toys that I make out of a box juice box or box drinks box. You see me? Yeah, when I was a child, of course, you see me? I mean, it's been years since me ever do something like that. You see me? I said to you, I want to say years, I mean years, really. Look, looking at this video brings back a lot of memories. You see me? I say, and it really made me smile. You see me? To see grown men, you know, somewhat playing with those things that I call a box truck or box trucks. You see me? I said to you, it's yeah, you know, it brings back memory. I like that. So, yo, big up and respect to each and everyone shown in this video, viewers and subscribers. You see me? Big up to the young men, you know, shown in the video. You get what I said to you? Yeah, big up to each and everyone shown in the video. Yeah, I really like to see the box trucks, you know, persons playing with box trucks. You see me? I said to you? Alright, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video. You see me? I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, according to some things that have been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows what happened after a motorist had been stopped or pulled over by the police within the country of Jamaica. According to some things that have been said on social media, it is said that the motorist was driving and the motorist had been stopped or pulled over by the police within the country of Jamaica. You see? Now, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the motorist was angry because he had been stopped or pulled over by the police within the country of Jamaica. This video is going to show when the person said some things to a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, and those things that the person said, those things are being talked about on social media. You understand me? Now I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it, and you can also tell me what you think about some of the things that have been said and shown in this video. You see me? Yeah, and before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Sir,
you can be unprofessional with people. Hold it.
I was never unprofessional with you. Never.
You target me this morning. I'm never talking to you this morning. I'm not talking. I called him and said him, he said me here.
Mila is my name.
Yeah.
What happened to the insurance? What happened? Sir, what happened to the insurance? What happened to the insurance certificate?
First man.
I need to see your insurance certificate.
I've been stopped by Constable Miller, 18985, for harassing me in a matter.
Sir, I need to see your insurance certificate, please.
And I'm telling him that I'm coming down to you, and I'm coming with one holy story.
Sir, can I see your insurance certificate, please, sir?
Yes, man. Keep on harassing me. I'm a wife. Come on. Alright, so when we come now, we talk to you first, man.
Insurance.
Never make sure so you get transferred.
Thank you very much.
Yeah? Never make sure, because you don't know who you just...
The work is at...
Wow. Wow. You see? My best advice to each and every one out there, see, is to comply with the police whenever they're doing their job. You understand me? No one is above the law. You see me I say? And I'm not saying these things out of any form of disrespect, you know. It's more of concern, and we just wish the best for each and every one. You see it? Alright, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video shows something that I call very dangerous. You see me? Now, according to some things that have been said about this video on social media, it is said that the video shows a person who was riding a trolley on the road somewhere within the world. You understand? See me? Now, some persons might call this trolley a shopping trolley. Some persons might call the trolley a supermarket trolley. You see me? Some places on social media, it is said that the person was riding a shopping trolley on the road somewhere within the world. You understand me? I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the world this incident happened, nor do I have any confirmed information as to when this incident happened. You understand? The point is, viewers and subscribers, is that this video shows a person riding a trolley, or you could say a shopping trolley, and I think it is dangerous. I think it is very dangerous. It is not a bicycle. A shopping trolley or a trolley is not made to be used in such a way. It's not made to be used like that. You understand? But anyways, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself, and you can let me know what you think about this video. You see me? And I'm telling each and everyone out there right now, do not try that at all. Do not attempt to try it. Don't do it. It's dangerous. All right? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You here? Huh? Yeah, man. Body no. Look, body no. Here we go. There we can let's go and set up the brightness. Yeah,
Viewers and subscribers, you see the video that I just presented to you. You see the person who was riding a shopping trolley in the video that I just presented to you. What that person had done is dangerous. Very dangerous. It's not even a laughing matter. It's dangerous. That person put lives in danger. No one should ever attempt or try anything like that. It's dangerous. Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. You see, let me know what you think about all the videos that I presented to you in this video. You see, Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Alright, big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man.